In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the current status of connecting your Pi wallet to Binance. If you've been following the development of Pi Network, you might be eagerly anticipating the day when it's fully integrated with major crypto exchanges like Binance. As of now, mid-2025, there isn't an official method to directly connect Pi wallet to Binance for deposits, trading, or any similar integrations. However, there have been some interesting developments and hints that suggest this could soon change. Let's start by reviewing what we currently know as of September 2025. Recently, the Pi wallet has introduced some new features that have caught the eye of the crypto community. You might have seen in the Pi wallet's Help and Support menu some intriguing entries titled Binance Connect Support and Binance P2P Support. These additions strongly suggest that there might be a roadmap towards integrating with Binance. While these features are not fully functional or confirm any imminent operational change, they do hint at possible future capabilities for trading Pi Network's native token, Pi, or enabling peer-to-peer transfer options through Binance's P2P platform. But here's the thing to keep in mind. There hasn't been any official confirmation from either Pi Network or Binance at this point. Neither party has announced any concrete plans, timelines, or methods for a formal integration. This means that any rumors or speculative reports you've heard need to be taken with a grain of cautious optimism. The excitement around these potential features is understandable, but it's important to remember that in the world of crypto, patience is key. Longtime users and contributors on forums, such as Reddit, have been advising caution. They emphasize that currently you cannot link your Pi wallet to Binance directly, nor can you trade Pi through Binance, or any major exchange, for that matter. Being part of the crypto community often involves waiting out these developmental stages, so it's essential not to rush into anything premature. Moreover, be on the lookout for scams or misinformation that may capitalize on this period of uncertainty and speculation. As we move forward, keep an eye on official communication channels from Pi Network and Binance. They are your most reliable source of updates when or if any changes come into play. Until then, you can use this time to familiarize yourself with the possibilities of integrating Pi with Binance, understanding both platforms thoroughly, and being prepared to seize new opportunities when they officially arrive. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on crypto developments. Stay informed, stay safe, and see you next time.